Hello everyone. So actually I would like first of all to talk about the last analysis on the gold, which seemingly went bad, but actually it went in the right direction. So I have sent last Saturday a deal to buy the gold from 2374 with a safe zone ranging till 2351. So that was actually, guys, our safe zone. So what I said in that video, that we can buy the gold at this level of a resistance right here at the retest of it. However, we have this zone right here that the gold might actually be ranging at before start the rise. That is exactly what happened. I mean, by zooming in, we can see that the pair has indeed been ranging inside of the safe zone and went indeed as expected and running in around, actually it went in around total of 500 pips of profits. But why did it fail though? Because of this tail right here, because of those 20 pips only. The gold has actually abandoned our safe zone by 20 pips, and because of that, this signal has been considered as a failure one. So if I would have just lowered this line, this would be a great signal. Thank you, Salah. Bad signal. We hate you, Salah. Great signal. Bad signal. Amazing signal. Bad signal. We made profits. We made loss. I mean, that was really frustrating to me. It was just so frustrating, and of course the frustration of course has got into me, and as a result I lost confidence in myself and sent another signal to sell the gold. I actually, guys, have went against my own beliefs in my analysis, and again I did that. I mean, it was really wrong behavior. I mean, if you guys can refer to the old video last Saturday, I actually have told you that this is a trusted support trend line, and that most likely is going to be the level where the gold is going to continue to rise. I don't really know why did I send a buy signal right here, but however, the original analysis that stated about this support trend line being respected again indeed worked well. So meaning, I'm so grateful that at least my techniques work and my strategy really works. However, mistakes happened, and hopefully it will not happen again. And by the way, guys, I believe we are all allowed to make a mistake in our analysis. I mean, who doesn't? Let's be honest. Anyway, let's now see what we can do next with the gold, and let's see now our chances and what we can expect next with the gold. So, many of you actually might assume that we have right here, of course, a head and shoulders pattern has been born. However, in my opinion, that's totally not the case. The head and shoulders pattern has already been completed right here with that level of a resistance, respecting this level of a resistance right here. So, as we can see right here, if we draw here exactly a real level of a resistance trend line, we can notice here the head and the shoulders, which means the market has already created this pattern, but it hasn't been respected, and the bullish movement on the gold right now is quite stronger. So in my opinion, now the gold will continue the rise. And by the way, guys, if we look here at the weekly chart, however, now we can see clearly that we had here, of course, a broken level of a resistance, a triangle, as we can see right here. So based on the weekly chart, we have here a broken triangle, and that channel has indeed been broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, which actually happened last week. However, 2 weeks ago. Then the last week, the market has already retested the broken level of a resistance trend line, and this tail right here represents simply the new support trend line. So meaning, the gold right now most likely is going to continue the rise. I don't see any chance for the gold right now to fall. However, it's important to remind you that on Monday we have Mr. Jerome Powell is going to testify again, and then on Tuesday we have the core retail sales. So we have to be very careful, my friends. I mean, what you are seeing right here is a technical analysis. Of course, we cannot of course ignore the fundamentals, but still we have to pay attention to the news. I mean, I'm surprised that my sell signal actually has failed, also due to the core CPI, which happened last Wednesday. And of course, some of the people actually were really harsh in the comments. They don't understand that the core retail, actually the core CPI news can actually change the entire direction of the market. Actually, it's really sad. I mean, some traders, they think that just because they have this analysis, meaning they can ignore the news. Guys, this is not going to happen. Once you have an analysis sent to you, you have to always pay attention to the news. The news will always change the direction of the market if it of course was bad or good to the currency. However, Now, what's next with the gold, in my opinion? Now, based on the daily chart, however, right now we can see clearly right here also another broken level, or of a triangle. And of course, I'm going to ignore the fake breakouts, such as this one right here. And right now we can see here that we had, of course, a real level of a support trend line that indeed has been respected. And that level, of course, also of another real level of a resistance trend line. So right here we can see clearly that we had, of course, a bullish breakout candle appeared and broke out from that structure. Now, most likely with the current price action right here, this is inverted hammer, the candle of a Friday actually indicates for a bearish fall, which means, in my opinion, the retest will begin by Monday. So therefore, I'm expecting next candle to become as a red one exactly right here, and then it will continue the fall till it reach that level of a broken resistance trend line, and from there we can buy the gold again exactly at the new level of a support trend line, of course based on the daily chart. So by saying that, we need to use right now, we seek the help of Fibonacci retracement to find the decent entry. So as we can see right here, the gold has indeed made a bullish breakout from 23.6, and that means that the gold has a potential right now to continue the fall till it reach this level of a broken level of a key resistance, which actually has been broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, and right now will create here a new support level. So meaning we have to wait for the gold to fall to another 330 pips or 34 pips, 341 pips, which again really normal. However, the take profit level this time is going to be right here at the absolutely highest level of a resistance at 2,448. Yes, I'm expecting from the gold to continue the rise till it reach that level, making around 700 pips. Now, for the safe zone, I don't want to make the same mistake that I have made last week. So therefore, what we are going to do right now is simply make sure that we are actually giving ourselves a space. Sorry guys, I had to do that. So we will actually be buying the gold exactly at 2377. However, the safe zone will be ranging just a little bit below this level of a key support right here exactly at 2343. It's gonna be huge, but I mean, I'm just being fair to myself because last week I wasn't fair, and as we can see, the gold just failed because of the 20 pips extra in the safe zone. So therefore, our safe zone, my friends, will be ranging to around 335 pips. However, the take profit level is going to be also big. It's going to be around 737 pips of profit. Allow me now, please, to write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold. I really hope this time is gonna work well, and hopefully we will make good profits with it. Again, another disclaimer that you can actually, my friends, join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. Of course, last week I wasn't actually able to send any notifications because it happened really fast. The gold actually was running well in profit. Then after like 30-40 minutes, I checked back later the chart, and I was surprised to see the gold falling all the way to the edge of the safe zone. I didn't actually have time, unfortunately, to warn anybody about it. But however, you can actually join, of course, our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I notice any price action going against us, I will update you right here on this channel. Make sure to join it through the link in the description below of this video, or you can actually just search it directly right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And again, beware please of the scammers who using our name and logo to pretend to be Xtreme Trader. There are at least 12 of them I have seen on Telegram. And by the way, my friends, another disclaimer right now that this signal is not it's not a financial advising. I would like to say that. I mean, it's in the end just a signal. It might fail. And of course, you as a forex trader, you should be investor. You should always prepare for the losses. They might happen all the time. Do not ever enter full lot on any signal that you are receiving, no matter how you trust it. No matter how you trust it, you have to always be careful and consider the losses. They might happen, my friends. And of course, since you are a forex trader, meaning you should actually place your stop loss to be as your investment amount, which is, for example, if you are planning to invest $1,000 in this trade, then make sure that your stop loss is going to be $1,000. Don't come back to me and tell me I wiped my account because of your signal, because that's just a rookie mistake and you should never do that. So again, my friends, I really hope it's gonna be a good signal, and hopefully we will all make good profits with it. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.